Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated. I am in no way affiliated with Adobe. Hi, I'm Steve Anthony. I'm a photographer and digital retouching artist here in New York City. In this clip, we're going to talk about how to make your portfolio using Photoshop. It really couldn't be simpler. They've done it all for you. Basically, go to your File, Automate, PDF Presentation, and go into your source files, browse, and just select the pictures that you'd like to include in your portfolio. I'm just randomly choosing some snapshots and just demonstration shots, just to give you an idea of what we're talking about. I mean, this is plenty to give you an idea. And you can there are all sorts of different adjustments that you can make. You can set it up to look exactly like you want it to look. In this case, I'm going to leave everything as it is. Select Save. I'm going to save it in my documents. I'm just going to call it Portfolio. Helps when you spell it right. It's easier to find later that way. Click Save, and then just allow it to, I would just use the existing presets. You can change them to your own tastes. Experiment, find out what you like. Click Save PDF, and watch it go. And basically it's just taking these pictures and putting them together in a PDF. And when it's all done, it looks a little something like this. As you can see, all of the pictures have been assembled into a portfolio. And again, you can make this as simple or as complicated as you like. I'm Steve Anthony, and this has been How to Make Your Portfolio using Photoshop.